Ever wonder why you hiccup? Turns out, it might be because your ancestors were fish. Hiccups are a strange reflex. Your diaphragm spasms, your lungs snap shut, and you make that classic hic sound. But the weirdest part is why your body even has this reflex at all. To find the answer, we need to go back, way back, about 370 million years, to a world ruled by lobe-finned fish slowly crawling onto land. These ancient creatures had to do something tricky: breathe air and use gills underwater. Their solution was a special nerve circuit that helped close their glottis, the airway flap, so water wouldn't flood their lungs. Fast forward to amphibians, our distant cousins, and they still use a similar reflex to switch between gulping air and pumping water across their gills. And here's the twist. The neural pattern that controls this amphibian breathing rhythm is almost identical to the one that triggers human hiccups today. When we evolved to live on land, our breathing muscles moved down. The nerve had to stretch, creating a long, glitchy wire prone to spasms. So every time you hiccup, your nervous system briefly reactivates an ancient switch, one designed for creatures that lived half in water, half on land. Next time you can't stop hiccuping, don't be mad. You're just experiencing a bug left over from your days in the swamp. Evolution is messy. Thanks, Grandpa.